So Unihertz has announced another rugged tablet called the ThinkPad Ultra. The ThinkPad Ultra is currently available for about $600, so it's not cheap. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So let's talk about its design first. It's a rugged tablet, so you've got this thick armored body with sharp lines, exposed style panels, and that's bold orange accent on the back that doubles as a camping light. The tablet isn't sleek, it's very heavy. Currently, its weight and thickness are not reviewed, but it is expected to easily weigh over 800 grams. Now let's just explore its top specs. See, the tablet is perfect for anyone who works outdoors, travels a lot, and it's also perfect for nighttime enthusiasts because it has a built-in camping light, a 1200 lumen camping light, which is bright enough to be used at night. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.